Now, this math video is not really a math video, but if you find you finish early, it would be a good day to work on happy numbers. I am really impressed with last week's happy number work. There were only 4 children who didn't get on and do it. The rest of you were rock stars. I am always telling my friends, who are the teachers at the school, that my class is really learning math, and they are becoming smarter with every day. So if we take a little break today to do this special project, I think it will be fine. And if you have time, look at happy numbers. But when we left, we were making a gingerbread girl. And here she is on her fox, and she's got him all loaded up. But if somebody didn't read the book, they would say, what is she doing? Well, there's one more part. This part has all kinds of words on it, but they're all mixed up, okay? The words say, and you don't have to remember this, but notice with me, home, girl, fox, the, gingerbread, road, the. Our job is going to be to put all of these words in order. Now, if you notice, they are kind of dotted. So look how I'm going to cut them. You don't have to be right on the line, but I'm cutting out the word home. And you know what I'm noticing about home? There's a period at the end. That's a clue. Where in a sentence would a period go? The period's going to go at the very end. So I'm setting these down right here on the table in front of me. And I'm going to cut out the rest of them really carefully. This word says girl. And I'm just making a pile in front of me. And I see one. Oh, I bet we could sound this out together. Let's see. It's only 3 letters. Ready? Can you say the sounds? Ox. Ox. Fox. Very good. I'm putting that down. Oh, and the next word I know. It's a sight word. Oh my goodness. You, remember? T-H-E. You can say the or you can say the, but it's always spelled T-H-E. The something. Oh, and there's a very long word. Very long word. That word says gingerbread. That's one that you would just have to remember. So the longest word, gingerbread. And then road. Oh, and the last word I know. I bet you do too. Let's look at it. Ready? T-H-E. And look at this. T-H-E. They both say the same thing. But one has a capital letter and one has a lowercase letter. The. They both say the. So we want our sentence to say, the gingerbread girl rode the fox home. Here's some math. Let's count the words. Ready? The gingerbread girl rode the fox home. 7 words. Do you have 7? I have 7. Now, when we're writing a sentence, it has to start with a capital letter. The first word was the. Ooh, how do we know which the to use? Capital T. So get yours. Glue on the back very carefully. And then, here's my sentence. Way over to the left, near the fox's tail at the bottom, I'm going to glue the word the. Okay? So, the, do you remember the sentence? The gingerbread girl rode the fox home. The gingerbread. How are we going to know which word that is? It's the long word. Can you find the longest one? Gingerbread. Good job. I'm going to put some glue on the back. Now, the thing you need to remember, you need to leave a little tiny bit of space. Just a little, because there's space between words. The gingerbread girl. G, g, g. Can you find it? Which word starts with G? G game G? Did you find it? Girl. All right. Glue. Remember, if I'm going too fast, stop the video and just restart it. So here it is. Ready? The gingerbread girl. Should I put it right there? No, I have to leave just a little bit of space between words. Touch and read. The gingerbread girl. The gingerbread girl rode the fox home. The gingerbread girl rode. R-O-D. That's R. R-O-D. What's the D? I found a word that has R-O-D and then that silent E. That's road. The gingerbread girl, now I leave space, rode. The gingerbread girl rode the. Hey, how do you spell the? You can say the or you could say the, but it's always spelled T-H-E. Can you find it? I got it. The. T-H-E. All right, a little glue. The gingerbread girl rode the... What did she ride? She rode the fox. Can you tap that word? Fox. 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 What's f? F. O. Fox. X. Can you find F-O-X? Fox. This is a lot of work. I hope you're really trying to be good detectives with me and not just asking mom or dad. A gingerbread girl rode the fox. Did I leave enough space? I did. And I only need one more word. The word is the gingerbread girl rode the fox home. 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 What's that's H. O. Look at this. Home. And it even has a period, so we know it's the last one in our sentence. Very, very good. Look at that. Leave space. And now I'm going to put the cover on my glue so it doesn't dry up. But now I'm ready to point and read. And that's what I want you to be able to do with your family. Slowly. The gingerbread girl rode the fox home. Look at that. He's going to look great up there next to my tree. That's where I'm going to put mine. But I hope you find a place that you can hang yours. This is kind of a long project, but we didn't really have a math project today. So I hope you have time to finish it, and I hope that you take your time. It took me a long time. And if I went too fast with picking out the words, start the video over again. You can do this, even if it takes a couple times. Don't be afraid to just listen and then try again. I know you can do it. I hope you have fun, boys and girls. I really love this story, and I think this is a great project. Enjoy making your gingerbread girl.